Let's learn, lesson, let's play. Today with Mr. Ray.
Hola, aloha, and hello. How are you doing today? Good, awesome. My name is Mr. Ray. Oh, me? I'm just walking. Walking in Spanish is caminar. Can you say caminar? Good, awesome, caminar, walking. Sometimes I walk like this. And sometimes I walk like this. Huh? Oh, there's my box. Let's see what's inside the box today, okay? Come on, let's find out. Let's walk, caminar. Caminar. Whoa. 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 Wow. I always have to watch where I'm walking, or else I can fall, just like that. Oh, my box. Let's see what's inside. Come on. Oh, wow. Whoa. 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 It's a bubble maker. And what color is that? Do you know? Yeah, red. It's the color red. Remember red in Spanish? Good. Rojo. Rojo. Red. Wow. Whoa. 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 Look at all these bubbles. That's so cool. Wow. Red. Rojo. Whoa. Look, it changed colors. Wow. What color is it now? Yeah, it's yellow. Oh, yellow in Spanish is amarillo. Remember? Amarillo, yellow. Whoa. Wow. Wow. That's so cool. Whoa. Oh, look, it changed into another color. It's the color orange. Orange. Orange in Spanish is naranja. Can you say naranja? Naranja. Good. Awesome. This is so cool. It just keeps changing colors. Whoa! Another color. Do you know this color? Yeah! Blue. Blue in Spanish is azul. Azul. Azul.
Yay!
Yeah. Blue. Blue. In Spanish is azul. Whoa. 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 Wow. That's so cool. Look. Oh, I know this color. Which color is this one? Yeah, green. Verde. The color green in Spanish is verde. Good, verde. This is one of my favorite colors. Yeah, you knew that. Awesome. Wow. Whoa. Oh, whoa. Wow. Okay, let's see if we can turn the green one into another color. Okay, how can we do this? Maybe, okay, no, that doesn't work. come on. Let's see. Okay, that doesn't work. Let's see. Oh, maybe I have to dance. Let's try that. Vámonos, let's go. It's my favorite color. The color purple. Morado. That's how you say purple in Spanish. Morado. Whoa. Wow, so cool. Purple. My favorite color. Morado. Whoa. Wow, I had so much fun learning all those colors with you and also playing with the bubbles too. You know what? That made me so happy. And you know, whenever Mr. Ray gets happy, yeah, I love to dance. Vámonos, let's go. Hi there! Thanks for watching and learning with me today. If you want to watch more of Hey Mr. Ray videos, please subscribe to Hey Mr. Ray and also hit the big like button down below so that way I can make more fun videos for you guys, alright? Hey, maybe we can learn some of my awesome dance skills next time, alright? Whoa! Hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.